In this tutorial, I will show you how to open up a Toyota Tacoma key fob to replace the internal battery at home. If you're looking at this device and yours looks quite similar, but maybe just has 3 buttons, whereas mine has 4, don't worry, it's the same device. It uses the same battery, and the process to open it up is the same, so just go ahead and follow along. You will need one of these CR2032 batteries to get this whole process done. And if you don't know where to get one of those, or you just like to get one online, I will put a link down in the description so you can get one on Amazon for just a couple of bucks. This is super easy to open. You'll just use a regular flathead screwdriver, and we're coming in here looking to where the key ring is. See if I can get that to focus. There's a little indentation in the plastic there. We're just going to insert a flathead screwdriver. You could also use a coin and twist. That will crack this open, and you can just kind of remove this little rubber component, and inside there we have the circuit board and the battery. And now you just want to slide the battery out. It comes out very easily, and when you're putting your new battery in, and again that is a CR2032, make sure the positive side goes face up. So you will just slide that right back in there, push it in securely, and you want to see the plus side facing up. Now the buttons are on the other side of this, so you can just line those up with the front half of the key fob, and it'll sit in there nicely, and you can just click the back in place, and you are all set. Super easy process. I hope that helped you out, and if it did, feel free to let me know down in the comments section, or just by giving this video a like so it can reach more people and help them out too. And if you ever need help changing another battery in any of your key fobs, we have tutorials here on YouTube for pretty much every maker model, and you can also visit us directly at our website, fobbattery.com.